how to change your Discord password, or how to reset your Discord password if you forgot it. Now, in this video, I'll provide you two specific methods for you to change your password and reset your password as well. Now, if you would like to change the password, um, means that you're currently logged in, it's very simple. From now, I'm gonna be For now, I'm gonna be showing you how you can reset it first. So you will be only doing this method via the Discord's official site. Once you're here, click on Login, and then once you hit on Login, you will be redirected into the login page. And here, all you have to do is to choose on Forgot Password, and you will just provide the email address associated with your Discord account, and you will be getting a code from that email address, and you should be able to change your password. However, if you would like to change your password where you're currently logged in into your Discord account, you just need to access this gear icon, which will redirect you to user settings. Now, under account info, choose on password and security, and then in here, choose on edit. And from here, input your current password, your new password, and confirm your new password for you to change it. And that's it. That's how you change your Discord password and at the same time reset your Discord password if you forgot it.